Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadian ka Jingkylli no jangka dum ne ka jingtai pelun ban pen itanat ya yang dorbar tawan bathamai ka jella. Haga step jangka sli ublei kata ka arpo arterek ubnai jemang arhajar arpo ar. Nagalang u working president jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ubak pensngan Syiem. Ula ong bau executive engineer jangka PWD udai ukertong jangka seng NPP nanot Shillong. Bat ula ong bakum u executive engineer udai banbu Jingkylli yaki Kompani haswa bantai yakatai kadung. Om hadin daladep bantai yaka. Uba PNCM ula ong Balei udai u executive engineer ula bu Jingkylli Pynban yaka IIT company kabadai ka company ka Tbit baha Hapoh kari India. Ula ong bakum u executive engineer udai ban ya keren shwa bat ki menteri ki badai ban khmi bat ka company kabashna ya katai kadung. Henry ula shu ai daw pat dakum ni dakum tai.
The executive engineer of the PLD building, he himself is the candidate of MPP from North Shillong. Then I have nothing to say. But the point is very clear. The executive engineer, he is very much in the site during the process of construction. So why should he ask this question right from the day one before we constructed, before the dome is start to be constructed? Why should he put some question mark to the IIT Roorkee, the best IIT in India? Why should he put some question mark on the BRC that the subcontract, the UP based company, RNN Limited? Why should he reply or he clarify after the dome has been collapsed? He should ask this question before the dome is started to be constructed. So it is very wrong to say that because he cannot carry the load of that dome. As the engineer, he should consult with the minister concerned. He should consult with the company. He should consult with the IIT Roorkee. But these are only excuse.
See now, if we give it to a competent authority for inquiring on this whole issue, now we will know exactly where it has gone wrong. Whether it is wrong has gone with a contractor who is building this property or something wrong who designed it, we will understand.
Yes.
So that is why I think best thing for the government now, they must give it for independent inquiry, because this is the property of the people.
So blame the building of its incompetency. The question of incompetency is very clear now, right from the top level up to the bottom. So it seems that the building also should be reviewed so that we will not put our people in problems.